Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy, and this is the second part of my recent HobbyCraft purchases. I bought the first lot of yarn when I went to Maidstone to HobbyCraft, which is the one I usually go to, and I filmed it. But this time, when I went to see Paul and Harley in Ashford, we ended up in a parade of shops, and there happened to be HobbyCraft there, so I thought, well, they might have some different stuff, or the fact that it's actually much smaller and the way it's laid out meant that I saw more than I would have done of certain yarns. So whether they had it in Maidstone, I don't actually know, but I got some really lovely stuff anyway. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I think it's there, or it might be there, one of the two. And hit the notification bell and you'll be informed when there are new videos. I've just put up a new giveaway, and it's a really beautiful lot of yarn as well, so that's well worth checking out, but you must be a subscriber to enter. So this one, I've got some new stuff for me, stuff I've not had before, and the first one is my absolute favourite of the day. Now I've had Karen Simply Soft. I don't know whether you say Caron. I've heard people say Caron. I've heard people say Karen. But this colour just blew me away. It's gold. It's just got a sheen that's just gold. It's beautiful. It's not called gold, however. It's called Bone. Sound like a boy whose voice is breaking. I do apologise. But yeah, it's called Bone, which is a bit of a weird name because it does look really gold to me. But I guess it is the colour of bones too. And it's a 4-weight, which we call Aaron over here across the pond. Now these are, to us, a really odd size. I guess you guys over there are used to it, but to have a 6-ounce ball or skein, which is 170.1 grams, is different. You know, we normally have 100 grams, 150, maybe a 200 gram cake, but that's kind of, well, you sometimes get the giant balls, but you know. So it's 315 yards or 288 meters, and it's 100% acrylic. It is absolutely gorgeous, and because I really, really fell in love with this color, if I put it close up, then you can't really see how beautiful the color is. It's only when I pull it back here that you see it. But I did get quite a bit because I wanted to get enough to eventually make something of consequence. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 because I figured that would be enough to make something nice with. So I got 6, and I got 2 white ones. I've not used this before. I used the orange on a project a little while ago, but it was something very, very small, like when I made the Easter egg, little egg cozies, which, you know, don't have to be for Easter. You can use them for eggs when you make boiled eggs all the time. But I made those, and I used a little bit of orange, and I haven't really used any other Karen Simply Soft, and I really do need to give it a try because I've got a fair few skeins. That's the most quantity that I have, but I do have ones that have got 3 or 4. I don't think they're as big as this though. So this one, obviously it's white, same everything, yardage, and but this is just called white. I was looking for something a little bit more inspiring, but blank, blanco, or white. So there we go, just 2 of those. And this made me really happy because I finally got my hands on some happy. And I know Madonna Ballard loves this happy stuff, and it's her favourite. So I've always wanted to try it. So I managed to get hold of some happy. Yay! So I've got 3 of them anyway. So they are Lion Brand Mandala Ombre. You've got 150 grams, which is 5.3 ounces. There's 344 yards or 315 meters in here, and they're 100% acrylic. They're again an Aaron weight, which is obviously a 4-weight across the pond, and the number's 206 or happy. And I've always fancied giving happy a whirl, So here we are. It's got this kind of white tinge that pops in, and I do like that. So I got 3 because I figured that was enough. When I made my wrap gown, I made it with the mandala ombre, and it was colourway gnome. I hate the word colourway. Don't know why I said it. It was the colour of gnome, and 3 made that big blanket. So I knew there'd be enough there to make something of consequence. So the next one I tried, I should tell you how much they were. Okay, I've got my bill handy. Getting carried away on all my excitement. So, try and find it. The Lion Brand Happy, they're £8 per cake, which is probably one of the more expensive things that we buy over here. The Karen Simply Soft is a fiver. I was going to say a fiver. £5, commonly known as a fiver over here. £5 per skein. So that whole lot cost me £30, which is lots, really, considering how cheap our yarn is over here. But not really lots in the great scheme of things. So then I decided to buy this, and I'd got a few of these before. I bought one that was all mauves, and I got one that was all kind of different shades of brown. And the brown one I always say looks like a sea urchin, but I decided to get this one. Now, I don't understand why, with all of these colours, it's called pink. It's Catch a Wave, Aran weight, so 4 weight, 100 metres, and it's a 50-gram ball. And I did get 1, 2, 3. The bag's getting full. 4, 5, 6. Now, I don't mind these donuts, but they do tend to unravel a little bit, and I always worry that they're going to get in a knot when I start using them. So Catch a Wave then was £2.10. So for a 50-gram ball, you know, over here you can get a 100-gram ball for around that kind of price. Not all yarns, but it is an Aran weight again, so maybe that would push the price up a little bit. So it's about par for the course, really. So then I decided that a lot of the rainbow things that I've been making recently have been pastel shades. And I did make one that was lovely, bright, vibrant colours once before. And I thought I'd have another go at it. So I did buy some bright colours. So I decided to get the Knitcraft Everyday DK, 3 weight, 50-gram balls in the colours. So I got this really lovely green. And let's tell you about this. It is, as I say, Everyday DK. 100% acrylic, but seriously, feels like premium. This is called Fern Green. HED16 Fern. So what's upside down, of course. 137 metres in this ball. So I got 2, so I got 100 grams of the green. So then I decided to get 100 grams of this bright. This yarn band has fallen off. It's here somewhere. It popped. They do sometimes. They're not exactly tight either, so don't know how that happened. But this colour is Golden Yellow, HED18, Golden Yellow. Same dimensions and lovely and soft, but this is really a golden. So then I got this purple as well, and this one, exactly the same. Oh, it's so soft. Really is lovely for acrylic. HED13, and its colour is purple. Imaginatively titled. And I've got one missing. It's here somewhere. Maybe it fell on the floor. I did get 2 of these blues. It's here around somewhere. Let's hide him. Oh, there it is. Went all the way up there. There they are. So I've got 2 blues. And this one is HED07 blue. But that is a lovely colour blue. I'm a sucker for blue. I do love blue, I have to say. Then I got these hot pinks, and that is actually what it's called, hot pink. And the number of hot pink is upside down, HED11. You can always guarantee if I pick one up and I want to look at it, it's upside down whenever I pick it up. Also got orange. That is really orange, isn't it? It's really bright. So again, all the same, but the colour is HED19 orange. So every day DK in the 50-gram ball is £1.20 per ball. So if you had that as if it was a 100-gram ball, it'd be £2.40. So that's about right price. It's not bad. It's about right. So then I got this one, and oh, I love this so much. It's just an absolutely adorable colour. And I'm so glad this company has been kind of rescued. I don't think they've got the kind of volume of yarn and the kind of varieties of yarn available that Peter Pan and Wendy had when they were trading. But they will obviously come up. But look at that. Isn't that the most gorgeous colour? See, what I mean about these donuts, they do tend to just fall apart, which is annoying. So this is Peter Pan baby cotton, DK weight, which is a 3, 50-gram ball. That does feel really heavy. I guess that's the cotton part. So this is 160 metres or 174 yards, which is pretty good for a 50-gram ball, I have to say. It's really hard to read the nitty-gritty on these bands. So what we got here, let's see, just about see it. 1147 mint. It's lovely though, absolutely gorgeous colour. I've got two. This one's slightly more intact, I have to say, than this one. But isn't it gorgeous? It's just a dreamy light green. And I got a white one to go with it, so that if I made anything I could use some white with it. And guess what? It's just called white, I believe. Where is the thing? You can actually cool tumble dry this, you know. Mild machine wash and cool tumble dry, which is amazing. I'm very impressed with that. I guess it's because it's cotton. It's probably a bit more durable. 3140 white. So that is what I got. Let's see how much that one was. The Twist and Shout. Oh, I didn't show you. I've got a Twist and Shout. Isn't that beautiful? That is gorgeous. It's another one that I got before. It's called Multi. So if you look in, you'll see all the other colours. But they're kind of, these are the colours that you'll find in there. All in the same ball. You'll find all of these. Just drop my phone. So yeah, all of those colours are in this skein. Just amazing. And that... these ones I bought before, but I wanted an extra one. So that is, wouldn't have remembered to put that in if I hadn't seen it on the bill. That's £4 per skein. So let's find out. Peter Pan baby, £4.70. So that's a 50-gram ball at £4.70. Let's get the one that's a little more intact, so it doesn't flap about. So yeah, that's quite, if you see what I mean, it's quite expensive compared to the really cheap yarns, but it feels just beautiful. I don't think it's completely cotton. Let's see, 50% cotton and 50% polyester, but it is dreamy soft and a dreamy colour. I absolutely love that. So that's what I got. I didn't go crazy. I just got the brights to make one project, this to make a nice kind of project, one to add to my beautiful multi twist and shouts, and these won't have to make a project. The happy, which is enough to do something with, and that lovely Karen, Simply Soft. Wow, I think I did well, actually. There was a lot that I could have bought, of course, but I'd already just done one little HobbyCraft order. So now I've just got to set to making stuff. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. Hope you like what I bought, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.